How to use TikTok refund balance. So basically, TikTok refund balance is when you return or cancel an order on TikTok Shop, the refunded amount isn't often credited back to where you got that currency from, but it is going back to cash back to your bank, but into your TikTok Shop balance, which is a virtual wallet inside TikTok itself. So I assume it's pretty much found here, maybe in your payment. So if you go here, we'll be able to see the TikTok shop balance, and you cannot withdraw to bank or cash out in most regions since funding TikTok balance uses via refunds can only be used for future purchases within TikTok shop. So you cannot withdraw them to your bank or external wallet. But what you can do, you can just go ahead and look for some sort of other item, and as a payment method, you can use the TikTok shop balance if you do have enough. So use the balance for future purchases. So when browsing items again in TikTok Shop at checkout, you'll see an option to use your TikTok Shop balance or uh, pretty much something else other than the other payment methods that isn't the TikTok Shop balance. But for ad account refunds though, if it is applicable to you, you can log in as your admin or your ad account. You can go to settings and then accounts and then funds, something similar to that, and request refund for unspent ad balance. You can wait for the refund to be processed, and it can vary how long it takes by region. So you're gonna have to watch out for the limitations of this refunded TikTok balance, since this isn't really cashable. TikTok refund balance is not withdrawable in most cases. It's locked into the platform for future consumption. There's also the expiry or restriction, so sometimes refund balance might have expiration limits or only apply to certain categories. So you can check the shop terms and so you can check the TikTok shop terms in your country. But again, basically the TikTok shop balance or the return refund balance is basically going here in your TikTok shop balance in that account only, and you can use that currency to buy future products. But hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.